Hi everyone, welcome to my another video regarding CATIA. In this video we are going to use some tools in generative shape design. At first we need to draw some diagrams. So I'm going to SketchUp. I have selected XY plane and I am selecting profile tool. To draw some figures here. I'm making sure that this is a closed figure. I'm constraining it now. Go to exit workbench. Now go to mechanical design, part design. Create a pad out of this with a thickness of 5 for sketch number 1, like this. Now I am zooming out of this. I'm going to create a plane offset to XY plane at a distance of 50. Right now I'm going to select this created plane and go to sketch. Make this a parallel view so that it will be easier for understanding. Now I'm going to project these edges. At first I have selected the edges one by one and project 3D element. I have got the projection now. Right now I am going to scale this projection. For this, go to the operation toolbar. In that we have scale option. Select that, and before the selection I have to select the edges which we have projected. Now scale it. Two times and OK. Now I have a sketch which looks like this, and over here I don't want this projections, so I am going to select these edges and make it construction element, and a line which is connecting these two portion of the sketch is not visible here, so I was not able to convert that into a construction element, but there is a way to convert it. Go to tools, sketch analysis, and over here we have a isolated projection mark. Select it. You can see that line and make it construction element. Set in construction mode and press on close. Now all the projected element have converted to construction element. Now we are having only this part of the sketch as the standard element. So exit workbench, pad this also for 5 mm, press on OK. And right now we have two parts like this. At first I am going to hide these planes, XY plane, YZ plane and ZX plane, and hide the plane which we have created already. So right now I'm going to go into Start, Shape and Generative Shape Design workbench, and in this I have line. Double click on line. I'm going to create some lines between these points. I have selected line type as point and selected point 1 as this vertex and point 2 as this vertex, and click on preview. It will create a line between those 2 points, a straight line between those 2 points, and rotate this part. Okay, click on OK to create a line between those 2 vertices, vertices, and click on OK. Just click those 2 points or vertices to create a line. So now I have lines between those points. At first I'm going to use multi-section surface to create a surface between these 2 curved edges. So just click on preview. So I have selected this curve as the first section and selected this curve as the second section, and created a multi-section surface here. So up next we are going to use the option sweep, which is in surfaces. I'm selecting the sweep option and setting the subtype to with 2 guide curves, and I'm going to select the profile first. I'm going to select the short edge here as the profile and carefully select guide curve number 1 and guide curve number 2. So always try to select a line which is perpendicular to the profile as guide curve number 1, and then the angle line, and set the anchoring type to 2 points and select the edge of this profile. So I have selected those 2 vertices which are the start point and end point of the profile, and select on preview. We have a swept surface from this line, and click on OK. Now go to the other side and do the same. Select sweep, profile, and select the guide curve 1 and 2 and the anchor points, and click on OK.